Hi friends, good evening. Welcome to Financial Omniscient. Today Nifty opened at 15807 and closed at 15748. In negative, around losing 66 points. Out of 50 stocks, 36 are in negative and 14 are in positive. Even this positive stocks also there is no much momentum. And here we can see these are the top 5 gainers and top 5 losers. In chart we can see initially there is a little bit buying pressure, but after that immediately due to selling pressure immediately came down, and at 1570 the market continuously in sideways for the entire day. And next in for Bank Nifty opened at little bit gap down at 35,320 and closed at 35,010. Total points lose around 350 points. Here you can see clearly that out of 12, 10 stocks are in negative and 2 stocks are in positive. In chart, instantly there is some huge selling pressure. Then after that, it's completely in sideways. At one point, it was tried to breach our support level 35,000, but finally closed at exactly at 35,010. Um, Next, for tomorrow, we have identified the support and resistance levels are like this. Support is 15,700 and next one is 15,600, whereas resistance levels are 15,800 and 15,890. Here in 1 hour chart, we can see almost since 1 month market is completely in some range bound around within 15,600 to 15,900. Within these 300 points there is a rising and coming down and going up. Now it is coming down. We'll see. Here you can see there is a triple top also formed at 15,900. Even for Bank Nifty we have identified this support level as 34,500 and resistance is 35,250 and 35,500. Even here also can observe last 1 month Bank Nifty also in sideways around 35,000 to 35,500. I mean within this 500 points. Okay, so even that also today it was broken, and because because of some central announcement of to produce ethanol flexi based engines, today most of the sugar stocks are in upper circuit. Here you can see clearly all are in green. Okay, that's all for today. uh, if you like our analysis, please like, share and subscribe our channel. um, and this video is only for education purpose. Thank you.